guys, it's your boy, Fly Boy, saying I'm back here with another banger. I already know I just dropped another video, but I'm back on the video now. No, I'm back. I was busy, already sitting in the other video, but I'm back like I never left. Can't stop this skills, boy. Well, let's go. So you see what I got on me? Let's see if
Hurricane is the size of Florida. It's over 400. It's gigantic.
Got the Glock 43.
My God, what is that thing?
Glock 43 right there.
What is this? Oh my goodness, folks.
Yeah, got the Glock 43 right there.
Look how sick with this thing here.
This is the Glock 43.
Look at him.
Details is on this side right here.
Okay. Nice seeing you again, Shark. What the? Where? No. What are all these now?
It did have sides, but
everywhere.
this side broke off.
What? They're everywhere and they're poisonous.
Yeah.
You gotta go to my
That's it,
car.
bro.
What are you doing?
Right there.
Yes, they are. We have to go to my car.
Hurricane slide.
Michael, just don't touch them. You would not go to the car if they were poisonous. I know you. Yes, I would. What are the bugs? Don't touch them.
That's right there.
What are they?
Remove the mag.
I'm not going down near these things if they're poisonous. What are they?
The trigger, the ejection. I mean, like, mag release button. Don't do nothing. Ejection port.
Where's that big spider?
There we go, through. Oh, right here. This is the hostess one. But this host is not for it. I just made it for a different gun, but I just found the holster that I used to put my whole gun in. But yeah.
Is that you up there? He's up there. I'm leaving. Those bugs flying everywhere, you guys, are love bugs. And apparently our part of town gets infested with them at this time of year because they are breeding non-stop. And they're poisonous.
I'll put it on my right side to see what will happen.
What? How many cartons of cigarettes is that? 4. 4 cartons
Ready?
of cigarettes? I ain't done either. Is that for tonight? Are you gonna smoke all of this tonight? Prove it to me. Show me that's 4.
Oh, it's not. I'm tripping. Right. Yeah.
2.
How come?
4.
And the one.
How many cars are you smoking tonight? I usually smoke about 2 cartons.
But yeah, this is the Glock 43 right here. Erie took a sip, became a C. Let me show you guys. I'm about to put it in my pocket.
After the hurricane. Can I cover this one now? I tell you, guys, she's got a lot. All right. So here we go, you guys. Right now, it is a category 5, and it is going to loop up this way. And because it's touching so much land, it is actually going to weaken.
But for real though,
And it's going to hit.
unless you like see from the side right there, you can't even see it.
Into a category 3, where it's
Can't even
going to
see
make
it.
official landfall in Savannah, Georgia. Now here is Savannah, as I told you guys.
Yeah.
As big as this hurricane is, guys, we are getting.
But I'm about to head out. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.
For a couple of days, which is devastating to me, but I will let these laws
Yeah.
I was using the OnStar internet Wi-Fi to upload the blog, so I was taking my computer into the car, and I was uploading the blog. So if that's what I got to do again, that's what I'm going to do again. You guys, it all depends on if there's Wi-Fi. There's definitely not going to be power. We lose power on our light. So we're losing power. It just depends on for how long.
I'm about to go.
Hopefully I can still upload the blogs from the car. If not, I'll drive up to Georgia or North Carolina or wherever I got to go to find Wi-Fi. Columbia